Hello, my name is Bill Malone, and this is my video discussion board submission for week number 4. I chose scenario number 4, and that's the one where Jane Williams is being asked to use a state-wide conferencing system to teach state history to 5th graders. Now, fortunately, Jane is very familiar with the technology because she's used it before, but only for professional opportunities. So she's never taught to this grade level. So the first consideration she has to take in is to familiarize herself with the students. And according to the presentation, you need to learn your learners. You need to know who you're teaching to. And according to Simonson, our textbook, for this age group, the instruction should be chunked together into patterns similar to the assignments and expectations of their regular grade level instruction. Facilitators should make an effort to prepare their students for online instruction. According to Harrison Reeves of Authentic Learning Environment, it is especially important to prepare students for settings for classroom participation, especially when classroom participation is separated across distances. And that is exactly what Jane's scenario is. Her students are across distances and across an environment. It is also important, according to McCoy, in his article about teaching to digital natives, teachers need to be trained on how to use these devices and how to integrate them into their own practices. And here's what's important. The aim is to ensure that technology is not perceived as an add-on, but as an integral part of the curriculum. It will be important for each facilitator that's chosen to not only be able to create material that is conducive to learning, but they also need to create material that will keep their students engaged. As Morrison called it, stimulus material, so that 5th graders do not lose interest in the lesson. 5th graders are flighty. It will also be important to create some discussion groups to allow these students, especially the small groups across large distances, to stay connected to the instruction. These are clearly some of the factors that must be considered in choosing a facilitator. Thank you, and God bless.